Hi, welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today we have another Mac tutorial. And here I'm going to show you 6 helpful Mac keyboard shortcuts what you should be using every day. First up is the Spotlight keystroke to launch apps and files. So all you need to do is press Command and Spacebar and the Spotlight search will load. You can search for applications or even ask Spotlight to do calculations. The second keyboard shortcut is to use Command and Tab to switch between applications. So select Command and Tab and this app switcher will load and you'll be able to go through the different applications, leave go, and that app will then pop to the front. This is a quick way of switching apps on your Mac. Now third is to go to the Go To folder, and you do this by holding down Command, Shift and G. In the folder you can instantly jump to any folder or directory path and navigate complex directories easily with the Go To folder. Now fourth, if any applications are playing up, you can use the Force Quit application box, and you get this by holding down Command, Options and the Escape key. And the Force Quit application box will pop up and you'll be able to select the application, what you're having problems with, and then select Force Quit. Now the fifth one is to take apps in and out of full screen with a push of a button. And you do this by holding down Command, Control and F. And the application you have open will go into full screen. Hold down Command, Control and F again and it'll pop back out of full screen. So this allows you to go full screen quickly and easily. This will work on any application or folder that you want to go full screen on. Now the sixth one on the list is how to take a screenshot. All you need to do is press Command, Shift and 3 to take a screenshot of exactly what is currently on your Mac screen. So that's 6 helpful Mac keyboard shortcuts which I hope you found useful. Let us know if you use any or if there's any other keyboard shortcuts that you use every day. Leave them in the comments below. I'm sure many would love to hear them, including myself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.